So welcome back children. Let us move to the worksheet number 1 from types of vectors. Moving with the first question. Single correct answer. A vector consists of, a vector has only direction, only magnitude, both direction and magnitude and none of the above. The correct option is it has both the direction as well as magnitude. Moving with the next one, multi-choice correct. Which of the following are scalar? So as we have considered few examples of a scalar. Length, of course length is a scalar which has only magnitude and no direction. Mass is also scalar. Temperature also scalar. But velocity is a vector quantity. So what you are asked to find out? Scalars. The scalar among the given options are both length, mass and temperature. They have only magnitude but no direction. Whereas velocity is a vector quantity because it has both magnitude as well as direction. So moving ahead with the next question, third one, which of the following are vectors? Now you need to identify the vectors. So velocity, as we know that velocity is a vector quantity, it has both magnitude as well as direction. It is a vector quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Weight. Weight means weight of the body W is equals to mg. Okay, m indicates the mass and g indicates the acceleration due to the gravity. And the weight of the body always points towards the surface of the earth. Towards the weight of the body always acts towards the Earth's surface. Hence, weight of the body is also a vector quantity. It has a direction. Its direction depends upon the direction of acceleration due to gravity. Work done. Work is a scalar quantity. Okay, so work is a form of energy. So even though we have two types of scalars, positive work and negative work. So remember children, scalar, two types of scalar are there, positive values as well as negative. Scalars takes positive as well as negative values. So work, we have negative work done as well as positive work done, but it is only a scalar quantity. Work done is a scalar quantity. It has no direction. How much amount of work is done we'll be saying, but in which direction the work is done, no one will discuss. So work is a scalar quantity, whereas force is a vector quantity. So asked to find the vectors among them. So which among them are the vector quantities children? 4, 2 and 1 comes under the vector quantity. So now moving to the next question, fourth one, a physical quantity which has only magnitude and no specific direction. A physical quantity which has only magnitude and no direction are termed as a scalar. So we have to identify the scalars among them. So which one is the scalar quantity? Weight is a vector quantity we have discussed just now. Mass is a scalar quantity. Force is again a vector quantity and time is a scalar quantity. So a physical quantity which has only magnitude and no specific direction is a scalar quantity. So correct option among them are option 2 and option 4. Okay. So moving to the next question, that is fifth question. So what is that? The physical quantity consisting of only magnitude are, only magnitude means you have to identify which among them are scalars. So displacement is a vector quantity. It has both magnitude as well as direction. Force is a vector quantity. Relative density is the ratio of the densities which has no direction. So relative density is a scalar and density itself is also a scalar. So the physical quantities which has only magnitude are option 3 and option 4. So moving ahead with the next question, reasoning type children. Two statements are given. You have to identify the correct one. First statement, a physical quantity which has only magnitude but not a specified direction is a scalar. Yes, of course, we have to agree with that. Only magnitude, no direction is a scalar. Statement 2, a scalar quantity is associated with magnitude and direction. No, scalar has only magnitude, no direction. So obviously statement 2 must be true. So among the given statements, only statement 1 is true, whereas statement 2 is false. Which one goes good? Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. So third option must be true. So moving ahead with the next one, comprehension type. Statement of a scalar just consists of its magnitude along with a proper algebraic sum.